Hello and thanks for watching. My name is Yeaman Mutart and this is a tutorial for creating a Windows 11 virtual machine using Oracle's VirtualBox software. All of the software used in these tutorials is free for download and there are links in the video descriptions. To make things easier for you, the tutorial has been broken down into sections. This will allow for you to stop viewing and come back later to view again if you would like. This also gives you the option to choose a path. You may wish to install Windows Server or Windows 11. In part 1 of this tutorial, we are going to download the Oracle VirtualBox software. After we have downloaded it, we will install it. First thing we're going to want to do is navigate to virtualbox.org. There you'll find the latest version of VirtualBox. Do not download the package from another source. This is directly from Oracle. Find the most recent and stable release for your host machine's operating system and download the installation package. Once the download is complete, simply run the package to install VirtualBox. VirtualBox can be installed permanently or portably. Be cautious if you choose to install VirtualBox on an external drive. It can be difficult to uninstall VirtualBox should something happen to the external drive and the installation no longer be available. For the purpose of this video demo, we will just use the default settings and next our way through the install. Once install is complete, it is time to create some virtual machines, also known as appliances.